everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to check your BVN on Opay application. So first thing you're going to need to do is open the Opay application on your mobile device and then just log into your account with your credentials. Once you're in, just tap on your profile, typically located in the top left corner of the app's home screen, this one. Now once you do that, you can see at the very bottom you can tap on that account here option. And in here you will see the first 5 digits of your BVN displayed, this one. So since Opay app currently displays only the 5 first digits of your BVN, and if you need to view your complete BVN, you can use the USSD method. So you just have to dial this number shown, and then after dialing, follow the on-screen instructions to retrieve your full BVN. And you have to type in here the phone number that you're using is linked to your account, which is you're using on your Opay. And then after you send that, your full BVN will be displayed. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!